KTM has unveiled its most daring off-road-focused adventure bike yet, the all-new 1390 Super Adventure R. Powered by a formidable 1350cc V-twin engine, this beast churns out an impressive 170.6 brake horsepower and 145 Nm of torque, housed in a redesigned 3-pronged trellis frame. KTM has made the frame stiffer for improved performance, finished in the brand's signature orange, with a bold, exposed white rear subframe. The Super Adventure R stands out not only for its power but also for its revamped design. The bodywork has been refreshed, with a new, shorter front windscreen that sits just above the vertical, portrait-style TFT dash. This design aims to improve visibility and aerodynamics while navigating challenging off-road environments, enhancing the rugged aesthetic. The bike features standard-fit external crash bars around the fuel tank and engine cases, providing added protection in the harshest conditions. These crash bars are finished in KTM's signature orange, completing the bike's tough look. Off-road capabilities are further boosted by the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, wrapped in Bridgestone Batlax Adventure Trail 41 tires. The R model also boasts a unique suspension setup, distinct from the Adventure S and Evo models, tailored for superior off-road handling. The front is equipped with manually adjustable 48mm WP Explore split cartridge forks, while the rear features a manually adjustable monoshock with a remote preload adjuster, allowing for customization when carrying luggage or a passenger. The seat height is set at 880mm and 220mm of suspension travel on both ends. As expected from a modern KTM, the 1390 Super Adventure R is loaded with advanced technology, controlled through a large 8-inch vertical TFT display. The dash is fully touchscreen compatible, even when wearing thick gloves, and offers multiple riding modes, lean-sensitive rider aids, and built-in navigation for enhanced adventure touring. The bike's weight without fuel is 231 kilograms, making it a formidable yet agile machine for serious off-road exploration.